All right, ladies and gentlemen, greetings everyone and welcome back to our channel. So a very quick one right here. In this particular video, I'll show you guys how to withdraw your Nexira, sorry guys, from the wallet that it is to your exchange where you can be able to sell it and get your Naira or any of your local currencies. All you have to do is just to log into your Nexira account in your Chrome browser. Okay, after logging in, then you click at this two button over here. Then you tap on your wallet, okay? Tap on your wallet, then you will see this particular details right here. So let me scroll up a bit. As you guys are seeing, my wallet is showing me it's displaying zero, showing that I don't really have anything, whereas I have something right here. So I don't really know, maybe it is a glitch from Nexira or maybe from Chrome or from their backend. I don't really know, but I'll show you guys what we have to do so that we can get our funds out. Like with all due respect, I'm making this particular video with a heavy heart because I'm so sad. I'm very much pained in this particular project because what I have is currently worth over $50 as of yesterday. But because they failed to reward the community earlier, before my allocation in particular came around, it has already gone down and I think it's remaining $14 or thereabouts. I've even decided not to do this, but due to tutorial sake, because I know a lot of people will need it, I just say, okay, let me just go ahead and do it. All right. So once you are here, the next thing you have to do is just to tap on your wallet right here. You copy your wallet and send it to any vendor that will be funding your wallet. Just tell them to credit it with $1 worth of at least $1 worth of ETH on that ARC20 network, because you are going to be using little gas fee. Sorry guys, you are going to be using little gas fee for the withdrawal. So once you've sent the wallet and they've already funded you, the next thing you have to do is to leave Google Chrome and come to this next browser, which is Mice's browser. So if you don't have Mice's browser, I will advise you to head straight to your Google Play or Apple Store and download Mice's browser. That is the next thing that you are going to do. So after downloading Mice's browser, you still have to copy that reward link. I'm going to be dropping this link in the description section and comment section of this video. So you just have to copy it, then enter it here and still log into your Nexira account. So once you are done logging in, the next thing you have to do is to come to this three dotted line down here, tap on it, scroll up a bit and make sure that your browser is on that desktop site. That is the first thing you have to do. After locating that, then you click on this particular one that says developer tools. Okay, so I don't really know why these guys are hiding the private key of this particular wallet, but we are going to be cracking it out. So you click on this developer tools, then you wait for them to take you to the developer tools. So you guys should kindly pay close attention right here, because what we are going to do here is more of technicality or more of technical stuffs. So once you are in your developer tools right here, let me scroll down. The next thing you have to do is to change to this application. Tap on this application. Okay, your own may be under memory, under performance, network, source, or anywhere, but wherever it is, maybe for instance it is under elements like this, just scroll down a bit and tap on application. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So once you tap on application, the next thing is for you to click on this one that says local storage. Okay, you tap on local storage. Once you tap on local storage, then you will see Nexira.ai, which is your server link. All right, so you tap on Nexira.ai. Once you tap on Nexira.ai, then you scroll to center a bit, click on this filter. Okay, you can see filter over here. Tap on this filter and search for this keyword persist. Just start searching. Okay, you can see they've already completed it for us. You click on this persist wallet, which is the last thing right here. Let me minimize it a bit. Then click on persist wallet. Then you scroll up. Okay, then you see all this code right here. Just scroll up, keep scrolling up. Keep scrolling by the side. Then you can see where they wrote copy right here. Let me zoom it a bit. I hope you guys can see it. All right, so you can see this copy. Just tap on this copy and copy it. All right, copy it. Now I've already copied it. The next thing is for us to leave Mice's browser. The work don't finish right here. So the next thing you have to do is to head straight to your Google Gemini. If you don't have Gemini, also still go ahead and download one. I think this is it right here. Yeah, this is it. So just go to Play Store and search for Gemini, then download Google Gemini. Then you come right here and paste what you copied from your Mice's browser. Tap on it this way and paste it. Just paste it. Then scroll up a bit. Then give chance, come down, give like 1 or 2 spaces and type this command: where is my private key? Where is my private key? Hope you guys are seeing it. You see what I did right here. After typing it, then you now click on send. Sorry. Okay, so after typing where is my private key, then you click on enter button. So click on enter button, then you wait for them to bring your private key for you. So they are now building it up and you will now see your private key. Okay, so if you take a look at my screen right here, you can see my private key. Here it is. This is my private key. So all you have to do is just to long press it and copy everything. Okay, just long press it and copy everything, then your work is done right here. Then the next thing you have to do is just to go straight to your OKS Web3 wallet. You can use any Web3 wallet, maybe OKS, Bitget or Bybit or whatever, but me, I prefer using OKS. So once in your OKS, the next thing you have to do is to come to this wallet session. I hope you guys are following up in what I'm doing right here. Click on sorry, click on your wallet right here, then click on add wallets. Wait for it to load up. Click on add wallet. I think I have to go back a bit. Sorry guys, let me minimize my OKS and log in afresh. I think this is a network glitch, so let me enter my OKS afresh. Let me wait for it to load up. Okay, I think it's coming up, it's coming up, so that we can proceed. Okay. Alright guys, so my OKS wallet is done setting up. So all you have to do is just to click on this account one right here. You will see on account one, then you tap on it. Sorry, then you wait for it to load up. I think the network glitch is still here. I don't really know. The network glitch is still here. Let me wait now. Alright, so I think my network is a bit okay right now, so we can proceed. So you just have to click on your wallet one right here, tap on it. Okay, so you wait for it to load up, then you click on this down arrow that says add wallet. Click on add wallet, then click the second one that says import wallet. Click this one that says, the first one that says seed phrase or private key. Then you okay the button, then you can see enter seed phrase or private key. So that seed phrase that you copied from your Google Gemini, you just have to long press it and paste it. Okay, then you just click on confirm. All right, so you wait for them to validate it, proceed with the validation. Then now they will bring you to where you will select the network. So just leave it the way it is, because all these things are their EVM compatible network. Just click on confirm the way it is. Then automatically they will now take you to your wallet where you are going to be seeing all your assets. Okay, so hope you guys are seeing it is already showing right here. It's already showing right here because this is where we are. So just go back. Okay, just go back, and now you can see that all your assets has shown. So this is it right here. This is the Nexira that I have. Okay, it has risen to $15. Earlier it was $14, and now you can see that $1 worth of ETH that you transferred. Everything will now appear right here. So the next thing is for you to proceed and send it to any exchange where you want to sell it out. Okay, any exchange that you want to send it and sell it, then just proceed. All you have to do is just to click on this button that says send right here, then you tap on Nexi Ethereum. Okay, you click this place that they say paste. They say receiving address, enter the wallet address or domain name. So at this point you have to go to the exchange where you want to use. Nexira was listed on Get.io, Binges, Nexi and KuCoin. So you can use any of those exchange to receive it. So if you're in this space, you must have at least one of those exchanges. So for me, I'm going to be making use of my Get.io. Okay, so once you're in your exchange, the next thing is for you to leave home right here and click on this one that says asset. Okay, click on asset, then click on deposit, then on chain deposits. Okay, wait for it to search up, then click on search bar right here and type Nexi. Okay, type Nexi. So here it is. Then you tap on the Nexi right here, then you can see you just have to confirm it. Just confirm it. So you guys are seeing the network right here. That's why I said you should fund your wallet with Ethereum ERC20. Okay, so all you have to do is just to copy your wallet address right here, copy it right here, then minimize back to your OKS, then click on paste right here. So from here you can now decide to proceed with the transaction. Let me try take out this. I don't really know what this here. Let me take out this. Alright, so once you are done pasting your address, this is my address right here. The next thing you have to do is just to click on confirm, then click on confirm. Now you wait for them to bring it up. Sorry, they're asking you for how many Nexi that you want to put. Just put all the Nexi that you have, 733. Then click on confirm again. Okay, scroll up, confirm again, then verify. Okay, and you guys can see transaction submitted. Okay, transaction sent. Automatically your transaction is now successful and it has left your OKS Web3 to the exchange where you can just go ahead and sell it off. So let me refresh this. Let me refresh this, and you guys can see that the ETH that they even take is very, very small, just 0.99. So the next thing is for us to go to our exchange. Let's see if it has landed in our get.io. Let me come back. No, let me come back and refresh my network, refresh my wallet. So you just have to give them little time so that it will drop. All right, so if you take a look at my screen right here, you can see that the transaction is already processing. Hope you guys are seeing it. 733 nexi, though it never reflects in my wallet, but it's already processing, so you just have to wait. All right, so it's still processing. You can even decide to tap on it so that you will see how it is going. All right, so hope you guys are seeing it right here. 733 nexi deposited. They already checkmarked this one. Then the blockchain validation remain 1% to go. You can see 9.1. Then once the checkmark is credited, automatically you will receive your nexi in your wallet. But these guys are very crazy. They deducted 43 nexi from my nexi. Okay, it's all good. So let's just wait for them to validate it so we can proceed. All right. Okay, so if you take a look at my screen right now, you can see that the transaction is already set, and you can see crypto deposit is already done and my wallet has already been credited. All right, so the next thing is just for you to proceed and sell it off in the market. So if you scroll up a bit, you can see your value. You can see the value of what you have, nexi, and the value, and so on and so forth. This coin is falling really, really deep. So the next thing is just for you to proceed and sell it off in the trade sports market. So I'll do another video for that, so that the next video will be how you can be able to sell it and get your money in naira. So this ones that we just did right here is the whole withdrawal process. All right, so catch you guys in that next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.